I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be another unboxing because you guys know I got everything I wanted for my birthday. I deserve it, and anything that will help me with this channel and to grow and the quality. So if you want to see what I got, because of course you read the title, then stay tuned. Okay, so I got the Canon PowerShot GX7 Mark II. So take a thumbnail. Okay, cool. First off, it came kind of beat up, so hopefully it's not broke. But I did get this from Best Buy as well. I got the Mark II for a couple of reasons. First reason, because it was cheaper, and then the second reason, because a lot of my favorite bloggers and YouTubers use this one, and I remember watching some YouTubers and they had got the Mark III, and they said that they liked this one better. So I was like, well, I'm gonna save me a couple $100 and just get this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys. I've had it actually for a couple of days, but I didn't want to open it simply because today is my birthday when I'm recording this, because like I said, I don't stop working on my birthday. But I was still vlogging with my phone, and I didn't want to have to like try to, you know, switch over footage and stuff. So I haven't opened it yet. So I didn't get to vlog for my birthday from my actual camera, even though I wanted to. But I wanted to open this with y'all because y'all are the reason why I have, you know, the success that I do on YouTube. So I figured I owed you guys that. I'm struggling, so I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I got it open. And inside you get the Canon warranty thing. Like if I wanted to add a warranty to it, I have to mail this in, I guess. I don't know. And then it comes with an instruction book, and this book is thick, super thick. And then on the inside, I have the actual camera in here. And then this is the battery pack, it looks like. Is it? No, this is the charger. Wow, you can tell I'm not used to having nothing. This is the charger. This is the battery. And this is a little like armrest thing to put on the actual camera. And this is a piece of paper. Okay, so let's look at the actual camera. So I'm happy it's very much secured because, like I said, that box looks super beat up. And this is the camera. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so nice and so pretty. I do not know how to work this. I'm going to watch a lot of tutorials. This is why I wanted it though. That's why I wanted it. I'm so excited to work and start, you know, having better quality videos. I don't know if you guys knew that it came out like that. I'm so ready to have better quality videos. I'm about to get Final Cut Pro and use that on my MacBook. You guys should see the previous video. If you haven't, I bought a MacBook too. And I'm just ready for my videos to look clearer and to feel like a real YouTuber. I said I was gonna, you know, buy this stuff if I ever, you know, not made it, but I was giving myself to hit 3K, and right now I'm at like 2,300, so I'm pretty close. I'm like 700 away, but I had the funds to do it, so I went ahead and did it. And yeah, I can't cut it on or anything because of course the battery isn't in it, but I am super stoked. Sorry guys, I keep looking at it because I'm just like, wow, like I really finally have a vlogging camera, and it was a lot of money, but I deserve it, and this is what I wanted for my birthday. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, in case you guys didn't know, and yeah, PowerShot GX Mark II. I need another thumbnail. Yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my videos. Let me know. I wonder if y'all will be able to tell when I start using this if my quality will get better. And yeah, I'm super duper excited, super duper blessed to finally be able to afford my camera. And yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching my unboxing video, and until next time, bye guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.